Good morning, family. It is I, back again, to share something with you all. I'm sharing a meal, what we're going to have today. What's today? Tuesday? Okay, Tuesday, 5th of May. And it's not because of Cinco de Mayo, it's because my ass wants some ribs. So, my husband and I decided we're going to barbecue some spare ribs this morning. And, I picked up spare ribs when I was supposed to get them baby backs. These spare ribs is something else. But anyway, I have my spare ribs all seasoned up, ready to go. And we're also going to have, I think he said, hot links. No chicken. Chicken is precious and highly valuable these days because it's hard to find. And if you get some, you're pretty lucky these days. Because fresh chicken, you heard about in one of my previous videos where they snatched my chicken wings, my meat all out my bastard and stuff. So we are going easy on our chicken around here, even though we don't have a lot, but we have enough, and we ain't trying to eat all our chicken up because it's gonna be hard to get some fresh chicken in a little while around here if y'all been listening to the news. But anyway, I'm just sharing with y'all this morning what we're gonna have with these ribs. I'm making some, I have the items that we're gonna eat with the ribs. I have some pork and beans. We're gonna have some pork and beans, and I'm gonna make a coleslaw. And I'm gonna put raisins in it. And also today, I'm showing the bananas because I'm making banana nut raisin muffins. Alright. And I'm showing the ingredients, some of my ingredients that I put on my ribs. The salt, some smoked paprika, some of this Weber, what is that, chili lime, and some Texas brisket. I just like the thick peppers and crustiness of the seasoning in that Texas brisket, Weber's seasoning stuff, and the chili lime stuff, because that gives a little hint of lemon on the meat. And I also use a fresh lemon. My auntie, she always put lemon on her ribs. And so I just put a little bit on there every now and then. I use lemon on my ribs. So these, and then I just sprinkle some chive dust on there. I have the smoked paprika and some good old grind up peppercorn. Ooh, that grind peppercorn. Oh, it's so good. Oh, y'all should try fresh peppercorns and grind them up better than some of the pepper that's already grind up. I love that flavor. Oh, it's so good. Fresh grind up pepper. And also, I have these small containers of onion powder and garlic powder that I use on there too. Just a little bit of salt, not a lot of salt. So I'm just sharing with y'all some of the ingredients I use to season up my ribs. I have some other ingredients I use, but I'm not sharing that. I'm just sharing, a little bit of something that I put on my rib meat. And that's about it, family. Just sharing with y'all what we gonna eat today. That delicious raisin coleslaw, pork and beans, and some ribs. And some banana raisin nut muffins. I'm gonna crush up some almonds and walnuts, cashews. What else I got? I guess that's about all the nuts, if I don't throw in some peanuts. But gotta be very little, because peanuts do something to me. Can't eat a lot of peanuts. But anyway, I'm also gonna be sharing in this video what's in my pantry. Also gonna be in this video about what's in my order, what came in my order for today, and stuff like that, and share with you guys what's in my pantry. So hi family, hope you're doing well. Hello YouTube family, hope y'all doing well. Thanks for watching the video. And y'all know my videos are all about stocking up for the coronavirus. Not for the coronavirus, but because of the coronavirus, that we are getting more canned goods than usual, and cooking meat sparingly because of probable meat shortage because, you know, all the meat packer workers are sick and they're not producing as much meat as before. So if y'all don't know, hope you find out. Don't find out too late. Have you guys heard they selling out of the freezers? Well, if you need a freezer, I guess most people are trying to buy a freezer so they can stock up on meat. I don't call it hoarding. Forget hoarding. You can't never have a well, nah, let me see. You need enough, not a lot, but enough, and that's not hoarding to me. If you trying to feed your family and they like to eat meat, because we like to eat meat over here. We're not vegetarian. Although we can eat meatless meals, but we're not vegetarian. I need me some ribs, some chicken, some hot links, some burgers, some pork chop. We had pork chops yesterday. They were so good. I made mine smothered in potatoes with some onions and celery and bell pepper and stuff. Ooh, it was so tender and delicious, that pork chop dinner I made for myself yesterday. But anyway, y'all, I know I'm just carrying on and on and on. But also, I don't know. Let me see. Y'all just take care. I guess that's all the chatting I'm going to do in this video right now, because I got to add on the, what did I say? My pantry haul. Okay, so y'all enjoy y'all Cinco de Mayo today. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Even though that's not why we're barbecuing. It's because we want some ribs. And we're having hot links. I did tell y'all that. Okay. Alright. Okay, family. Hope y'all enjoy y'all day. Bye for now. Family, look like this video was kind of long with me cooking today with ribs, coleslaw, raisin coleslaw, pork and beans with hot links, and some banana nut raisin walnuts. This video is kind of long, so I'm not going to add the what's in my pantry haul in today. I'll do that tomorrow. Sorry if anybody wanted to see that today, but I'll be back tomorrow with a what's in my pantry haul. On these ribs right here, I added just a smidgen of the Kraft's barbecue sauce, just a smidgen, because I didn't make this homemade. But yeah, this is a little barbecue sauce on here. Hope you guys can see this okay, because the light is not too bright in here. But anyway, that's what I just wanted to share, and I'll be back tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Muffins before they went into the oven. Alright, we got the ribs on the grill, and boy do they look good. Look good to me. If the camera catches the right light, I guess. Alright. Okay, family, I'm back to show you the banana nut raisin muffins. They turned out pretty good. They taste good. They're not real sweet because I didn't put all that sugar. I add applesauce and bananas and raisins and the nuts in there. Sprinkled some sugar on top and with more nuts and more raisins on top. So they turn out pretty good. They're delicious, and their fiber, have some fiber in there because I put some flaxseed flour in them. So they're pretty good. Look at the texture on the inside. Looks good, huh? Alright, family. I'll be back with the rest of my video later. Thanks for watching. Okay, family. I took my muffins out of the muffin pan and just placed them in this little skillet here. Don't they look beautiful? Banana nut raisin banana nut raisin muffins. And this is my coleslaw with raisins. It's ready. Also, and I have my pork and beans in a pot. I'm not gonna put them in the oven today. They're in a pot with some chopped up hot links, beef hot links. So I added a little dash of pepper juice in my coleslaw. It is so delicious, I'm telling you. A couple of olives in there too, and that's paprika sprinkled on top. Alright, getting ready to get down with these ribs. Enjoy your day, family, because I'm going to definitely enjoy mine. See you. Well, family, it looked like the ribs are cooking pretty good. We got a couple hot links out here cooking pretty good too. Everything's looking good. Alright, family, our ribs are done. Hot links done. Just see them right down there. The light is crazy. Everything's done. So, about to make a plate and eat a little bit. Go look at TV. A few hours later, come back and get some more. I love ribs. My husband say these ribs are good as my sweet meat. Oh my God, I got sweet meat, like my grandmama say. Sweet meat. She's sweet meat. Okay. What else? We about to